Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Agriculture with Samir. Hope all are doing good in this lockdown, and in today's video we will be studying about the calculation of seed rate. So seed rate calculation is a very important factor in agriculture. For any type of cropping, we have to estimate and calculate the particular seed rate before sowing so that we do not waste more amount of seeds. So according to our land requirement, we have to calculate the seed requirement. So if we have a land of small area that is in meter square, 1000 meter square, 500 meter square, 1 meter square, then the seed rate formula varies. And if we have a more area like hectares of land, then the seed rate should be calculated in kg per hectare. So there are two units of calculation of seed rate. Like one is gram per meter square and one is kg per meter square. Sorry, kg per hectare. So in this video, we will be learning about how to calculate the seed rate and what's the formula along with an example. So to learn about seed rate, keep watching my video to the end. So here, let me first tell you the example of seed rate. So if we want to calculate the seed rate for a small area of land, that is for a meter square, some meter square of land, then we have to use a different formula like so if you have to calculate for a small amount of land or small piece of land, then our formula will be like this. So here you have been seeing that here I have included only 100. So there is also a difference between why we have to keep one more 100 here. So if in a question we are given only the germination percentage, then we have, or only the purity percentage, then we have to include only 100. So if the question includes both the germination and purity percentage, so if it is included, if both are included, then we can include one more 100 in this formula. So this is what we have to remember, that if there are both germination and purity percentage given in a question, then we have to add two hundreds, have to multiply over two hundreds. If one is missing, then we have to delete one. So this is based on the gram per meter square of land. For example, let me explain you with an example. So if there is a question like calculate the seed rate of black gram for 1 meter square of land if spacing is 20 into 30 cm, germination percentage is 95, purity percentage is 90. So see, this is the question where we have this area of 1 meter square. Here germination percentage is 95 and purity percentage is 90. So here we have all the data and we have the spacing also 20 into 30 cm. So now it's only putting the formula and getting the answer. So this is how we can solve the seed rate per gram per meter square. So we have to have a look on the area that is given. So if it is given in meter square, and if it is asking for meter square, we have to calculate using this formula. So this is one of the formula by which we can calculate the seed rate. So now let's learn about how to calculate the seed rate for a greater piece of land, or if it is given in hectare. So if the question is changed for 1 hectare, then how we have to calculate. So now if it is given So now if you are given a question like calculate the seed rate of some crop A for 5 hectare of land if spacing is 30 into 20, purity percentage equals to 90, and germination equals to 90. So if we are given this question here, let us see how we have to calculate the seed rate. So here the area is 5 hectares, so it's a large piece of land. So for this large piece of land, we have to do some changes in the formula. Likely, we have to add here 10,000 into area into test weight into 100 into 100 by 1000 into purity percent into germination percent into spacing into 1000. So this will be our formula if this is given in the question. So if the question is given for a large area of land, then this will be our formula for calculating the seed rate. Okay, so now let's put the formula and let me show you how we have to calculate the seed rate. So here simply we have to put the values like seed rate equals to 10,000 into area. So area here it is given is 5 hectare into test weight. Test weight will always be, suppose here the test weight is 20 grams. Okay. Suppose, for example, it should not be converted into kgs. Test weight should always be in grams. Into 100 into 100 by 1000 into purity percent is given as 90, germination percentage is given as 90 into spacing is given. So here the spacing is given, if it is given in centimeter and centimeter, then we have to convert it into meter. So any spacing it is given either in the gram per meter square formula or in the kg per hectare formula, we have to convert the spacing into meter. Whatever it is, we have to convert it into meter. Like this will be 0.3 into 0.2 into 1000. So this will be our formula, and here we will be getting the answer for this. So whatever here it will be, this will be in kg per hectare. So this is how we have to calculate the seed rate for kg per hectare and for gram per meter square. So this is all about in this video, that how we have to calculate the seed rate for a particular area of crop. So I hope that you learned well from this video, and here the spacing we have to always remember, we have to convert this spacing into meter. The unit should be converted into meter. Test weight will always be grams. Okay, and this formula we have to remember. We have to remember both the formula so that we can put the formula and get the answer. So I think all of you learned from this video, and hope I will be coming with more number of videos ahead, and will be teaching you more about agriculture problems and solutions in my videos. So thank you everyone for watching my video with patience. Keep liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.